And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Well, while temperatures today were a few degrees warmer than yesterday, still not a bad first day of August. Our normal high is 87. That's about where we were this afternoon. And we'll see temperatures go up a little bit more over the next few days. But again, not a bad stretch of weather coming up for much of the rest of the week. Right now, radar sweeping clear locally. Notice a couple of showers back north of Farmville. And we've been tracking a couple of showers up across the eastern shore. Fairly small. They're fairly short-lived. Saw them pop up a few hours ago right through here. And you'll notice from just from Parksley up towards Hallwood and up towards Signpost right along 13. Now they continue to drift off towards the north. And we're seeing some development up across the other side of the state line into Maryland. But just an outside chance of a passing shower. And Futurecast is doing a pretty good job showing that. You can see that one little shower right there. For the rest of us, mainly clear skies through the evening with just a few high thin clouds streaming in. Still a little bit of a breeze coming in off the water, so that means a little bit cooler near the coastline through the evening. But later tonight, partly cloudy to mainly clear skies. Overnight lows dropping into the 60s to right around 70 along the coastline. Through the day tomorrow, a few high thin clouds will stream in, just enough to dim the sunshine. We'll still term it mostly sunny, but I think we will see a little bit of that hazy sunshine as we go through the day. Variable winds through the day tomorrow. Temperatures back up into the mid to upper 80s. We'll say about 87 degrees again for a high temperature tomorrow. Winds start to shift a little bit more for Thursday, becoming a little more southerly, and that'll allow those temperatures to go up a little bit more. Thursday, we'll look for those readings up into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. A few more clouds moving in, so partly sunny skies for your Thursday, but still remaining dry free with just an outside chance of one of those isolated showers trying to pop up in the region. Now here's the close-up on what was Tropical Storm Emily. You might have missed it yesterday morning. Made landfall across areas just south of Tampa and then fell apart across the peninsula there, and it's now emerged back out into the Atlantic Ocean. You can kind of see that circulation right through there, and a big flare-up of thunderstorms on the eastern side of it. Still, the National Hurricane Center is saying it is a tropical depression, and it could strengthen into maybe a subtropical storm. It probably won't be a typical tropical system, but any way you slice it, whether it has a name or not, or whether it becomes tropical or subtropical, it's moving well out into the Atlantic. Really going to split the difference here between Hatteras and Bermuda. But through Wednesday and Thursday, might kick up enough surf to create some higher than normal threats for rip currents, especially along the Outer Banks of North Carolina. But otherwise, it'll move out into the Atlantic and not cause any impact on our weather here in Hampton Roads. Beautiful sunrise this morning. You can see some of those high thin clouds. This is our camera on top of Nauticus, and a lot of activity out there on the Elizabeth River. And you can see the folks there on the stern of the Wisconsin as well. So again, a beautiful afternoon. Temperature of 87 degrees, humidity only 44%. So very pleasant for early August here in Hampton Roads, and a northeasterly wind at 9 miles per hour. Again, Williamsburg, the hot spot, coming in at 91 degrees, but it's 84 in Virginia Beach, 81 in Manio, 86 in Suffolk, and 86 in Melfort on the eastern shore. So mainly clear skies tonight, another comfortable night, 68 for an overnight low, and tomorrow 87, mostly sunny, very typical for early August. Easterly winds at 5 to 10. 69 degrees tomorrow night, partly cloudy and comfortable, and a few more clouds moving in on Thursday. We'll say partly to mostly sunny skies, a little bit hotter, up to 89 degrees. And then on Friday, we'll see the clouds thicken up a little bit more. Increased cloud cover will mean temperatures in the mid-80s. As a cold front approaches, that'll give us a chance for some showers late. And then into Saturday, we'll see some scattered showers. The farther south you live, the better chance you'll see the rain. The farther north, a little bit of a lesser chance. And then Sunday, 82, 81 Monday, 84 Tuesday, a little unsettled weather as we get into early next week. Not associated with Emily, that's moving out. Just some of that August heat trying to pop up some of those showers and storms. Regina, David?